Here I am at Exeter Station, and we want to look at what support and what specifically for the disability aspect of it. So this may not be the best video in the world, but it will be a video and hopefully will be supported for my assignment. So let's have a look at a few things. It looks like it can be a very inaccessible place. However, just a quick look at this notice board. We can see there's lifts, there's access to public transport, there's obviously access to taxis, there's seating area should it be cold for those people who have problems, there's parent and baby changing facilities, but more importantly, what for our work, there's disability support. Now people can move their cases around with comparative ease. And if we have a look round, there's staff who can help, and they tend to be all around, but also there's boarding. They've obviously got the support here, and they make it physically available. You can see we have disabled toilet access. There's certainly lift access for people with disabilities. Just regarding the disability loos, they work on a thing called a radar key, and those are available comparatively easily. It's run by a charity, and that means the loos are wheelchair acceptable, and also they're checked for cleanliness, and there's also panic buttons for easier access. So that's that aspect. Also, there's lots of information available on all the different areas. You can see the staff on 1, 2 and the 3 major areas that's available, plus waiting rooms. Just in closing this particular section, I thought it'd be good to look at some of the other information, especially the web presence, that show a level of disability support within the rail structure, and see how that's tied together with normal rail support and disability provision. So let's have a look at the website. This is the National Rail Inquiries website. Information for people with disabilities, travel assistance, accessibility for stations and made easy, information about scooters, discounts, trains, and the whole range of things. So just on the disability side, we'll look at wheelchairs. It's quite specific with the information it shows. The size of wheelchairs that are acceptable, and also contact information for a range of different companies. There's also specifically for Great Western GWR, which was I suppose First Railway, assistance, all the things you need to know. Just information here. It's obviously a requirement to use the railway. If you can't use a car, it can be quite expensive. So there's a discount, £20 a year will get you 30% or a third off all rail fare. What we might look at now is just some of the other facilities, just to finish off. Now, we've already pointed out the disabled support for lifts, and that are available on stations. Just interestingly, it also encourages a lot of rail users to use bikes on both sides of their journey. And once again, information that's available and readily available. So commuting, assisting as a total package. Oops, sorry. Other discounts that are available for young people, and especially people who might have it restricted for over 60s. We also said disabled on board. Once a person's on board, there is wheelchair facilities, but people like myself who may have restricted use but not complete, there are priority seats for people with disabilities. We also showed a number of staff and the way they can assist by getting ramps, and that's that. So, in closing, that's my overview of disability support, and I've used the railway service as an example of, I suppose, best work practice. I haven't showed the linguistic side of it, all the different and varied provisions that are available there. I haven't identified that for people with visual impairment there's large print or there's braille, there's people who may be deaf, that they have text talk on the TV, on the telephone. So all these things are available. So I hope this goes by way of some part to meeting the requirements as identified within the unit. Thank you.